Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin still pumping, 63, pushing up. A little bit of a rising wedge on the 15-minute chart. Low volume, not so low volume on the weekend, actually. Quite strong for a weekend volume, which is interesting. We're on the Sunday with not so bad volume for this weekend. People are discussing Booster, Starship, Bitcoin buy. That was my video yesterday. I bought Doge, $2.3 trillion market cap, 288,000 viewers, Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up on your charts as well on your TV. We have a 60K bonus with Bybit if you start trading. 60K bonus and World Series of Trading, $10 million competition. Fear, we're at 50, neutral, 53% dominance. Funding fee almost positive, 63,200. And we're pushing up here. A bit of a bull flag as well. If you zoom out, a little bit of a bull flag. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. We're going to jump into the charts for Ethereum. And I'm going to show you my $670,000 account having a strong pump from my 59K activated trades. When I set two trades. I set multiple trades, but I set trades on Bitcoin at 59,000 for spot and 60,000 for leverage, and both of those trades activated. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see the market already reset. Bitcoin 63,100. We're going into the chart, and you can see over on my Bybit, my account now 672K, which is awesome. Up quite a bit this week, from 643 to 672, so around $30,000 this week. This month from 613 to 739 to 645 back to 672. So wild ride this week. 613, so still up this month, around $60,000. But at peak it was 739,000. These are my Bitcoin trades. This is my futures trades. So this is my leverage trades. This is when I sold Bitcoin. I sold here at 64K in August. Bought Bitcoin at 52. Sold at 62. Bought at 59. And these trades are beautiful. This is on my leverage trade. And you can see my Bitcoin trade, which I opened a few days ago, is now $12,700 in the profits. Congratulations anyone who saw my trade. It activated 12,700, 104% gain on this trade in a few days, and I only paid $161 in fees to make $12,700 so far in profits for Bitcoin that activated at 60K, which is beautiful. And my spot buys, which I had set in all of these were set in videos. I showed these buys as they occurred, and my spot buys you can see here also beautiful on Bitcoin. My spot buy activated at 58,941. There was some here and another one there, literally the bottom of that spike, and now we're back at 63, which is beautiful. My asset breakdown: 20% is Bitcoin, 37% cash, 13% MCRT, 8.9% Doge, 8.3% World, 8% Uni, 3% Sui. And you can see the breakdown here. So I've got around 200 plus 120, so 320K in cash of a 672 account. So I'm about 50% in. 203 in cash plus the under 114,000 in Bitcoin, which is slightly up. 73,000 in MCRT, slightly down, 0.11%. Doge 49,000. I bought more yesterday, slightly up 11, which is beautiful. World, I bought it in yesterday's video. World up 7%, 45K. Uni up 3%, 45K. Sui up 9%. Sui pumping, everyone. Interesting. It is pumping out. I had 30K of Sui and I cut it down to 15K because it failed to break out. Now, so my 15K is now 16.6K. So I made 1.6K on that Sui trade, which is beautiful. And there is my Bitcoin buys, and these are my assets. Let's go into Bitcoin and Doge technicals. So on Bitcoin on the weekly is now finishing in 23 hours. It looks like a bull. This is a Japanese candlestick. I teach you this in the Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course. This looks like a bit of a hammer candle on the Japanese candlesticks. Interesting. It's like a little bit of a hammer. Longer term time frame, you see this big bull flag and huge cup and handle. Straight away, you should see that if you're one of my students. And you can see this channel, 72. 56. I still have buys to activate at 51k and 56. 59 came down, and I said if it hits 59, it will be a strong support, and we got a bounce, and that played out. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy in 2023. In February 2023, Crypto Guru Bot, you get it at jamescryptoguru.com. Still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell last week. Did not yet fire a buy. Let's go to the stochastic is still heading up. Not yet super overbought, which is interesting. Volume is still strong, and we've got that hammer candle. Let's go into the daily. In the daily, descending wedge broke out like I predicted. Started to form, build pressure, and it broke out. Target will be 60, that trend line. Target will be here, 65k. Stochastic is heading up. Bitcoin holding strong on the weekend, which is interesting. The trades at 56 and 59 did not yet activate. Stochastic heading up, volume strong. Looks like it could be forming a big inverse head and shoulders as well here. See that? Huge inverse head and shoulders possible. If this forms this inverse head and shoulders that could be starting to form, it would do something like, it would be the base of the shoulder, the base of the head. So this distance here would be how far we break out of an inverse head and shoulder. Target would be 78,884 if that plays out, which would be interesting. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. In the 4-hourly, descending wedge breaking out. W formation is forming here. If it breaks out, also potential pump. Volume is still strong on the weekend. Stochastic looks like it is double topping on the 4-hourly. See here, double top starting to form. Just like it did here, double top, and then we broke down to 59k. You can see here every time the stochastic is in the overbought on the 4-hourly, it does have some kind of pullback. Here we're double topped. Here we double bottomed and I bought at 59k. Here we double topped and we dropped. Here we bottomed. Here we also hit roof here, 2 touches on the roof and fell down. It is the weekend, but and Bitcoin is showing strength, and we have this descending wedge with the target of 65. So I'm going to stay active. Let's go into the hourly. Hourly, little bull flag forming here on the hourly. Pole and flag formation. So showing strength. Where I would open trades, I would pull it to support here. That's a trade I would open at 59, 56. I'll keep these manual trades if we pull back. Strong support, I would say, would be, here is the strongest area of support. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 61,068, stop loss 59,584, risking 1,400 with the top of the bull market target October 2025 of 268, 140 risk to reward, risking 1,400 to make 207,000. Another take profit target, say it's 7, let's pull it back to this 78 target of this potential short head and shoulder. That's risking 1,400 to make 17,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, 170,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Let's go into my Bybit, then I'll do Doge. So again, my trades are already active. I've already got this trade active on, no, this is spot. This is future. My futures trade 12,594 in the profits. $240,000 trade, and my spot, these assets. So the second biggest asset, Bitcoin, USDT, MCRT, Doge. Doge is pumping. Let's check out Doge. I bought more Doge yesterday, or I did Doge yesterday actually. Let's do World, because World had the biggest move yesterday. World W formation, 4-hourly inverse head and shoulders. Let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly, massive descending wedge is playing out in the last 3 weeks. Huge spikes in volume on World. Builds pressure and breaks out. Maybe people are starting to understand that this is Sam Altman's project, the founder of OpenAI and ChatGPT. This is his project. That's why I think it's going to be massive. Stochastic oversold turning up very strongly. Massive descending wedge. On the daily, we've got inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder forming. Inverse head and shoulders forming on World. If that plays out, the distance of the move will be the base of the head. This distance here. Target $2.80. Inverse head and shoulders. Looking nice for a strong move. Let's see if there's any pattern forming here. You learn how to do technical analysis in the Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course. Until you take those and learn, you're most likely just gambling, everyone. So just keep that in mind. A little bit of a rising wedge here, but not much. Could be considered a bottoming formation, in my opinion. Yeah, it's a rounding floor kind of formation, which is interesting. Okay, let's go into your comments. So that's on Bybit. Over on your comments, future of Doge looks good. I buy too. Awesome. Where are you? Nice wave sounds on the beach. How long until Dogecoin blows up? Just so you can be ready. Looks like it has the potential to start breaking out. From my opinion, alts are very oversold, and I've been collecting the ones that you saw in my account right now. What a perfect snipe count. Whole week you are talking about 56, 50K, then now this. I don't know how much more perfect you want to get than this buy. And maybe you show me your trades and let me know how good you bought it. 15. This is the trade I set in my video, and it literally activated the bottom on spot exactly at 58,941, and on futures it activated at 58,900, and I showed these on video, so you saw these buys on video. So I don't know how much more you want, but some people never happy. Happy, you're happy. Thank you. Damn, I got 2,000 Doge coins. Cool. I have 1.7 million Doge at 10 cents. Lame. If it goes to 75 cents, I will cry. No, you'll be wealthy. Bitcoin puppets. Okay. DARPA boy. Elon Musk isn't what he's trying to. Shut up. Until you build self-driving cars, until you land rockets down, until you're just a hater that has nothing compared to what Elon Musk built. How can you even be talking about what Elon Musk did when, like, until you're better, do more things, don't even judge anyone. You're just a hater that pulls people down. It's very easy to hate and destroy stuff. Very hard to actually build stuff. Good afternoon, bro. Good afternoon, Mr. Gamer. Love. James, have you checked? Because I have been waiting for a reply about a giveaway you did, and I was not rewarded. Eli, contact at jamescryptoguru.com. Message them and continue the conversation with my team. They'll follow up. You are amazing. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Ricky. I'm your #1 supporter. Thank you, Eli. Good day, James. Good day to you. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome. Guru's a multimillionaire. He always has the last laugh. It's true. People think that I'm like trying to gain something. This is my account. This is my Bitcoin account that I'm trading from 150K. It's 673K. I've pulled out hundreds of thousands, almost $300,000 from this account. I made it with 150 on video 1 year ago. Pulled out $300,000 from it, and it's at 673K. And I spend with my card directly from it, my debit card. I spend directly from my debit card. I've got cash back 800 euro. I've been spending 24,000 euro, 25,000 euro this year. I withdraw 6,000 euro. And I peer-to-peer withdrew a lot, but around 300K I've spent from this account, 673, which is beautiful. James, are you short now? No, I'm long. Also, guys, check out this over on X. Also, the World Series of Trading has started. Everyone, the World Series of Trading has started with Bybit. The link down below, $10 million prize till October 30th. CoinW also giving away, and James Crypto Guru for the courses and everything. And the World Series of Trading has a $10 million prize pool, everyone. $10 million. Team maximum, 563K. Individual, 1 million till the end of October. And if you win, there's a chance to win Yacht Rolex world-class tickets. And scan this QR code, start trading on WSOT, World Series of Trading, and join us. And there's a comment, because of you, James, I'm moving to the beach. Love you, James. God bless you and everyone you love. You deserve happiness, eternal happiness. Thank you. I'm glad that you're moving to the beach. I love the beach. And you can just see you're a legend. Good work. Congratulations. I love this channel. It's always been very impactful. And you can just see many, many comments of people bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. And you can just people making gains. Let's check out this also on X. In Telegram, there's 140 of you online right now. Starship test launch. There was a scammer. He got deleted. Does it have KYC? Doesn't need KYC. Billy Stokes, some exchange they're talking about. You can just join them, everyone. 140 of you. This guy made 211% longing Sol, 240% longing Ethereum, 300% longing Doge, 320 longing Bitcoin. And you can see, the last video, we didn't see the Bitcoin chart on James. Does he believe that Bitcoin will touch 56, 50K? Very possible. It's not so far away easily, and I will activate more trades. Make sure your liquidation is below 50K, in my opinion. Can go down to 50K. Also, Over on X, you can follow me on X. I've got 92,100 followers. Buys in the profits and Dogecoin. But this was my videos. This was my Bitcoin spot buys. These were my perfect buys off the bottom in this video. Donald Trump says he will not send money or weapons to Ukraine and he will end the war with Russia within 24 hours if he's elected. World peace, everyone. Vote anyone that pushes for peace. Blessed are the peacemakers. Google fights to keep control of its App Store monopoly. Put both groups together without weapons and some good weed. See what happens with the war. People talking about chilling. And you can see ourselves, I didn't order this. If it was up to me, it would stop immediately. And this was a video of boys being dragged in Ukraine to go to war. And I said, boys being dragged to fight in wars they don't want against boys they never met. Humanity's so disgusting. We should all be so fucking disgusted with ourselves. 20,000 views on that post. And I'm very anti-war. Anyone that's pushing war is a warmonger and should be, their soul will burn in hell for all eternity. Peace in the heavens, peace in the sky, peace on earth, peace in the waters, peace in the plants, peace in the trees, peace in all gods, peace in Brahman, peace in all things, peace, peace, peace. ChatGPT now, everyone, you can set it up and you can have amazing translated conversations with people. Highly recommend you can check it out. It's not about what you can do tomorrow. What can you do today? This is Wealth Squad Chris. Check him out, everyone. I posted, I predict Chris will be one of the world's biggest influencers and also influencing Bitcoin and crypto. I've seen him help people non-stop for 5 years in e-commerce and stock trading. Thank you, sir. Go join him, follow him. He's amazing. If you want amazing life for your kids and health for your family, you must have a fireplace, camping, cooking, fire setup as part of your house, garden or park nearby. We have been sitting around fires and talking for hundreds of thousands of years as humans. In the last 20 years, many Western places have stopped doing that. That was my Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Let me know in the comment section anything you'd like me to analyze, any tickers, any questions in the comment section. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday with your family and friends. Enjoy the day, enjoy the moment. Nothing else exists except this moment. When you think about something in the past, you're imagining it. You're thinking and creating an image in your mind, a story. If you actually notice, you're like thinking of a memory and then recreating an image of that memory. So it's not real, it's just your imagination. If you think into the future, you're just imagining. Only right here in this space where you can see and who you can talk to is real. Everything else is your imagination. So give it full focus to the present moment. Love you all. Have an amazing day and I'll see you all again tomorrow.